Hi there, students. To incline, a verb. An incline, a noun. Inclined, an adjective. Okay, let's see. An incline can be a slope. So there is an incline from the center of the road to the edge so that the water runs off the edge. To incline, to slope. So he inclined his head. I normally incline my head this side. Yeah, to bend your head slightly to one side. He inclined his head, or maybe he inclined his head forward so that he could hear what I was saying. Now that's one meaning, but the other meaning of to incline means to make someone feel something or to want to do something. So I know we're going to have a party in the next month or so, and I'm inclined to have it at the beginning of the month. Yeah, I have the inclination to hold it at the beginning of the month. Okay, so to be favorably disposed towards doing something, to want to do something, to be willing to do something. I am inclined to accept your offer. Yeah? To tend to, I'm inclined to agree with you. Yeah? Okay, he is inclined to make hasty decisions. He has a tendency to do it. He's disposed to do it. He's inclined to gossip with complete strangers. He's liable to do this. So, to be inclined to do something, to be disposed to do it, to want to do it. I'm inclined to help you. Yeah, I'm inclined to agree with you. Yeah, okay, and he is inclined to the opinion that everybody else is wrong. Then to have the inclination, the tendency to do something. So he's inclined to drink too much when he goes to a party. And then to incline, to lean towards, to turn towards. So the plane took off and then it inclined itself towards the setting sun. It leaned towards, it bent itself towards. An incline, an angle, a gradient, a slope. So there was an incline. I climbed the incline. Yeah, I went up the incline. Okay, so inclined, having an inclination to do something, or having a slope or an angle. To incline, to bow your head forward so that you can hear. To lean towards an opinion, or to lean towards a course of action. I'm inclined to do it in that way. Okay, to have influence on. His upbringing inclined him to be a very serious person. Okay, so incline. Okay, if you are inclined to think or to act in a particular way, it means you're likely to do it. Yeah, I incline towards the idea that we must pay them for this. Okay, those, so many people are inclined to blame others for their failure. They're predisposed. They tend to. Yeah, you could incline your head. You bend your neck so that your head is leaning forward. Yeah, a piece of land is inclined. It's at a slope. It has an incline. It's something that you need to climb. Okay, so let's see. Incline. I'm inclined to do this. I'm inclined to agree with you. I think I'm going to give that a 6 in formality. Use it anywhere. A touch on the formal side. He's there is an incline going to your house. This is more formal, I think. 6.5 to 7. Use it in a semi-formal writing or above. He inclined his head. He put it at an angle. 6.5 in formality. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin through French. Inclinare, yeah, to incline, or clinare, to bend. So to bend towards, to bend to. So, incline. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Incline, inclined, inclined to do something.